Hey everybody, it's Kim, Forever Fierce Over 50, and we are heading into Snowmageddon. Ice-mageddon? Winter Wonderland? I don't know, something, but it's serious. So, hang out with us and we're going to show you what we are doing to prepare. So yesterday we went, well, let me start at the beginning. We live in Tennessee, and right now we are staring down the barrel of a huge winter storm that they are saying is going to bring catastrophic ice. We're expecting 8 inches of snow and a ton of ice, and we went yesterday and stocked up our freezer's full of meat. I got plenty of groceries at home now. We're going to Hobby Lobby to pick up some candles, and hopefully they'll have some. Yesterday when we were out, the stores were packed. Right, Daddy? Yep. So we'll take you into Hobby Lobby and see what we can find. Alright, so we're in Hobby Lobby, and here's the candles that I need. Let's see what we got here. $6 for, let's see, I'll get these, and these. And these. What do you think, Daddy?
Yeah.
Let's see if they got any lamp oil. Where would that be? Okay, so I got candles and I've got an oil lamp, so we got some lamp oil here at the Hobby Lobby. Next stop is Sam's Club for a couple more things, and then we're good to go. I gotta get a bag of potatoes. I'm gonna make potato soup tonight.
It's not too bad in here. Everybody's probably already prepared.
No, it's pretty full.
Yeah, there is quite a few people walking around, actually. It's 9 o'clock in the morning on a Thursday. Holy smokes!
This is usually up to here.
Okay.
So all the weather reports are showing this to be a huge storm. A lot of people have gone to the grocery store and there's not much groceries left. But the things that we've been doing to prepare, we have got, well, we had to clear out a spot in the garage. My husband has to move a few more things. He's got to move that stuff over there. Our daughter's coming over and she's got an electric car. And those electric car batteries can have some serious issues in the cold. So this is going to go, her car is going to go there. We did get her full of meat. So we have lots of groceries. I've got wood for the fire. Let's see. We've got lots of wood for the fire pit. If we have to cook on the fire pit, I can do that. I actually enjoy it. We've got full tanks of propane for the griddle back there. We got the fire pit all set up out in the front. What is that? Oh, that's ice melt. We got 2 bags of ice melt. So we've got that. Let's see, how much did that cost so we can pay that? $7.90. So 2 bags of ice melt. That should be enough. And we've got plenty of drinks, plenty of, and then we've got our neighbors across the street. They're close friends with us. They've got their generator. They've got their RV is all stocked with the propane to run the heater. If the power goes out, we can at least be warm. We can for sure cook. They're saying it's going to be catastrophic with the ice. So the best thing that you can do when you're staring down the barrel of something like this is make sure that your neighbors are okay. If you cooperate with your family and with your neighbors, you're going to make it just fine. We didn't have to get too many things at the grocery store in preparation because we had plenty. We always like to keep stocked up. We've got, like we went and got the candles and the lamp oil, so that's all ready. We've got cards, we've got board games. Because they're saying this could be pretty serious for a week. Some people are saying power could be out for up to 3 weeks, which that sucks. But I'm right now getting the house clean, mopping floors. I've got a big old pot of on the stove. That'll be yummy. One night, if the power's out, I'm going to be cooking chili over the fire. But it tastes best when you do it that way. So we're kind of looking at this as an adventure. We've been through big storms before, and we are actually looking at it as an adventure. So we'll see what happens. It's supposed to get up to 33 tomorrow, but I just looked at the weather and it's only going to be 33 for like an hour. So it's going to be cold. Then, yeah, so we're getting all prepared. I'm excited. When we had tornadoes in this area a couple years ago, we lost power for 4 days. We had a good time with our neighbors. We were sitting by the fire pit, just enjoying. We cooked over the fire. It was peaceful and quiet, and we loved it. So, yeah. All right. So I will let you guys know how it goes tomorrow, and when the snow starts to hit, we'll go live and see how this storm goes, and we're all prepared. My husband and our friend Jason just went to our daughter's house to secure the chickens and get them all situated, and they're coming over here. They were going to come tomorrow after she got off of work, but we started thinking maybe that might be a little late. So they're going to come over tonight, and yeah, we're all going to be hunkering down. So when they say catastrophic weather, we're taking it seriously. All right, thanks for watching. We'll keep you up to date. Bye.